For eddy current bolt hole inspections, traditional systems using impedance and sweep displays are efficient at detecting flaws. However, determining which layer the flaw is located just from the eddy current data is near impossible. This has resulted in time-consuming manual measurements and unnecessary repairs. But the MIS-21C makes this easy. All you need to do is scan the hole and review the data. The color C-scan display clearly shows the flaws and raises the probability of detection. It also reveals the different layers of the hole so you can easily determine which layer the flaw is located. There are no extra encoders or special equipment required. In this example, you can clearly see 3 distinct layers. I can focus on this flaw here and see that it is in the first layer. With a single scan, you can quickly determine if the flaw is in a critical layer. With this information, more informative decisions can be made on if and how any repairs should be made. This is just another way the MIS-21C takes bolt hole inspections to the next level. The MIS-21C makes bolt hole inspections fast, accurate, and easy to perform. For more information on the MIS-21C, please follow us on social media and visit zetec.com.